There we go. This is for our ongoing class. It's like when I turn the recorder on, I have to adjust my tush. Well, that's weird. We're going to talk about inversions. What we're doing is our song by ear, Tequila, which we're doing in C. And it has an A part and a B part. So we're going to focus in on the A part. And on the A part, we're just toggling back and forth between a C and a B flat. A 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the configuration of the beats is a C, 2 beats, B flat, 2 beats, C, 4 beats. And then we start it again. 2 beats, 2 beats, 4 beats. Thank goodness that repeats, right? So, an inversion. Let's just think about a chord being like a word, and it has letters in it. And a chord, instead of letters, it has notes. It has sounds. And a major chord, like C, you know, when we see a C on a chart, rarely are you going to see C major because it's just too much to spell and there isn't enough time in the world. So you'll just see C, but it really means C major. And there's a mathematical formula that tells us what the notes are in a major chord, whatever that chord is, C, D, E, F, A flat, B flat. It's the first, third, and the fifth note in the scale. So let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to put my ukulele down. I have my mini piano. I'm going to play it on my shoulder. Listen, you know, my primary instrument is a piano. I think like a piano player, and I'm just convinced, having played banjo like Ellen and guitar and ukulele, that it's sure a lot easier to see this stuff on a piano keyboard than it is on a fretboard. So maybe sharing this will help you. Here is a C scale. It's the old Julie Andrews, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, all white notes, right? And the major chord is made up the first note in the scale, which is a C, the third note in the scale, which is an E, and the fifth note in the scale, which is a G. So if we made a C chord on our ukuleles and we analyzed what the notes are, we would find a C, an E, and a G, and we'd find one more of those because we have 4 strings. So we have an extra, and the extra changes depending on what chord we're playing, what the voicing is. It changes. So let's stay nimble. So now what is an inversion? I've described it on the ukulele where we're changing the position of the notes. We're stacking them differently. And when we do that, it creates a different flavor. I want to show you what this looks like on the piano. Here's just I need a handle on this thing. Here's first position, or I don't even know if it's called positions or if it's called stages or elevators or what. But this is a basic C chord that I would hit playing. Now, the next inversion, I'm going to take the note that is on the bottom, the lowest pitch, which is a C in this case, and I'm going to put it on the top. So watch what I'm doing and listen. Now here's the inversion. Can you hear that difference? Now I'm taking this note, the C, and I'm putting it up here. And I'm going to continue this process. Now the lowest note, the lowest pitch is an E under my thumb. I'm going to put that baby on top. So listen. and back to our first position. So when I was playing piano bars and I needed to do a solo, sometimes I would just do inversions. So they look like this. Now, let me turn it off. We're going to use this a little bit later too. Let's look at inversions on the ukulele. We're going to use this C form, and we're toggling back and forth between the C and the B flat. So this will be like home base. Now, because I'm eager to find something that's easy to grab, I am going to make a G, what looks like a G form, with my 2 fingers in the 7th fret. And I can play all 4 strings. So that would be the next inversion, where we're changing up the way the notes are stacked. And with this song, we get to go back and forth between a C and a B flat, which means we're skipping a fret. So watch here. C, B flat, C. Now up here, C, B flat, C. So you see we're skipping a fret here. 2, so we're going from the 7th fret to the 5th fret. Okay, next inversion. Okay, I'm going to put my index finger on the 10th fret and my middle finger and my ring finger on the 12th fret. Let me give you the numbers. So we're way up here, dusty fret time. Da 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 da. It is a 0, 12, 12, 10. That's a C. Maybe you can do this with me. Let's do the inversion of C up the fretboard. We'll do a measure of each. So let's make our C here. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it again. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now in this song, because we're toggling back and forth between a C and a B flat, it's going to be a little different. But the forms that we move on to, they stay the same. So here's our C up here, yeah? Just ask yourselves, what do I need to do with this thing to turn it into a B flat? It's the same orientation. We're going to move the whole form. We're going to skip a fret so that our index finger now is in the 8th fret. So your B flat, sort of a B flat, and then back up to the C. So this is just another musical idea to fancy up that A part. If it's not resonating with you, file it away for future use, or give it a try, or use part of it. Let's put it together. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then I'm going to go back to down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it with a drum. Let me slow her down. And I'm going to hum along so we kind of know where we're at. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. La, 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 la. Inversion. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Back down. try it one more time and we'll put the whole song together. 2, 3, 4. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.